Here is this comment that always comes up. They say, Umayma, but what if I believe in myself and I fail? Well, because what will happen? I'll be so disappointed in myself, and I'll get my hopes up, and then I'll be really down. And I think there's a big misconception about believing in yourself and what it means, what it entails. Believing in yourself is not a guarantee that you will succeed. It's believing in yourself so you can have the push to first align your mind, your vision with the actions that you take in your behavior. Aligning your actions and your behavior helps you manifest, and it helps bring up opportunities that otherwise you wouldn't have seen if you didn't actually get to action. That's that. And then there's this other thing, that when you believe in yourself, the goal is to have a growth mindset about the things you try to achieve. Really, you failing is not the problem. You failing after you truly believed in yourself and you envisioned it, is not the problem. The problem is what you think about you failing. The problem is changing your mindset around being disappointed if you fail after believing in yourself. Because you will only be disappointed if you set the expectation that you absolutely have to succeed, and if you fail, then you judge yourself and you judge that has removed from your worth. The goal here is for you to have the growth mindset so you can fall in love with the journey. You see, I think what's really, really important, and something that a lot of people miss when they set goals, when they have dreams, is that they focus so much on the end. They focus so much on the end goal, on the dream, on attaining that achievement, that they forget to enjoy the whole process. I want you to fall in love with the journey of you getting somewhere, because what's more important than you, I just got an accent right there. What's more important than you getting to your goal is the person that you will become on that whole journey of trying to attain something. It's the fact that you believed in yourself, the fact that you believed that you deserved something so big and something so good, and that changes your whole philosophy about the things that you do, and how you act, on who you become. And that person that you will become, even if you don't reach that goal that you wanted for yourself in the first place, trust me that it will lead you to so many other doors. Who knows, maybe you won't achieve that goal necessarily, but you will learn so much about yourself. You will learn so much about your environment. You will build new skills, new habits. You will network. You will see doors open for you that you never even imagined, and maybe that will lead you to something bigger, something better. And that's what you need to focus on. So let's stop thinking that believing in yourself will only set high expectations, and that you'll be disappointed, and that it'll be worse, and it's better for you to have very, very low hopes of yourself so that you won't be disappointed. Well, newsflash, if you have very low hopes for yourself, and you believe that it's better for you not to believe in yourself so you can prepare for disappointment, guess what? You're preparing yourself for disappointment. You're preparing yourself so that you can confirm that original thought that you had about yourself. You believed, I can't really attain this. I know I won't get to where I want. And in your mind, you're preparing yourself just in case if it doesn't work out. But I'm telling you, you're preparing yourself to not attain that goal or that dream for sure. Because of course, you telling yourself that, you get into a self-sabotage cycle. What is a self-sabotage cycle? You tell yourself, I can't do this. So you put no efforts to actually attain that thing. You have limiting self-beliefs. You have overthinking that paralyzes you. And now you have guarantee that you won't attain that thing. And once you don't attain that thing, guess what? You confirm that original thoughts that you had about yourself. You confirm those low capacities and that low standard that you have for yourself. So I think you know where the problem is here, right? If you want me to talk about any other topics, make sure you put them in the comments below. I would love to hear your feedback. I would love to hear your point of view, your perspective. I love having great conversations with you guys, and I'll see you guys next time. I can't wait.